So this is the Businesssight client journey, and we've got Patrick with us today on a beautiful sunny January afternoon. Patrick, can you tell us a bit about your business name, what you provide, and who you provide it to?
Yep, Fiber Solutions. We build telecommunications infrastructure, predominantly working on NBN at the moment. We've just finished up a defence contract that we're engaged with, and we predominantly install business grade internet.
Okay, how long have you been doing that?
Company's been operating for 2.5 years.
Excellent. All right. So you've been doing the Trades and Builders business program with us since probably about 4 or 5 months. What made you decide to apply for the program?
So, being the sole director, I felt as if I was wearing the hat for every part of the business, and I was getting to a point where if I wanted to expand, I could no longer continue going the way I was. A good friend of mine had actually used yourself previously, and you came highly recommended, and off his recommendation, I decided to jump on board.
Excellent. So when you signed up, put out all the paperwork, you would have had some expectations about what you might have got or might not have got. And from memory, you might be, or you used to be a little bit skeptical. Can you tell us about what you thought when you signed up and moving ahead a few months now where you might have changed in a good way?
Yeah. So part of the skepticism, I guess, was I thought we may be a slightly different industry to what I thought this may be based towards. We have a number of customers, a very small amount of customers. And I thought the course may not be entirely suited for our particular needs. I'm super happy we jumped on board. A lot of the things I thought weren't relevant, I can see how they can be a massive advantage to utilize. And apart from that, we've been put in touch with a number of really good area specialists who have engaged in the company as well to help us out with certain areas.
Excellent. So business is all about results, and so 4 months later, and look, you've still got quite a way to go. But what would be some results that you've achieved or that you've put into place since you've started?
So I've started hiring people to wear those hats that I had to wear previously. So rather than me having to make all the minute decisions and being flooded with phone calls every couple of minutes, I've now got people who can take that role and only really need to contact me if there's something that they need something more important or more urgent.
Yeah.
And just going on with that.
Excellent. So, I mean, that's one of the biggest things in a small business is actually building a solid team, and it's a big step for a lot of people to take. But for you to do that in such a short period of time, that's fantastic. Last thing is, what would you say to somebody that's actually thinking about doing something like this, or they're sort of sitting on the fence? They're should I, shouldn't I, about and working on themselves and their business?
I think you don't know what you don't know. So if you can engage somebody who does know,
yep,
and come to it with an open mind, I think it's definitely valuable. It gets to a point where do you want to be? And if you don't know how to get to where you want to be, you're not going to get there. So for me, it was an easy choice. Just get someone to help me draw the plan.
That'd sort of be like a fishing or a camping trip, wouldn't it? If you don't know your destination, how are you going to get there?
Yeah, except when a fishing or camping destination, that can sometimes be fun. In business, it's a bit stressful.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time this afternoon, and I'll see you in the next couple of months.
Thanks, Miles.